Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a tutorial to show you guys real quick. This is to show you guys how to activate and then turn on smart stay for your Samsung Galaxy S series. So first of all, you want to go ahead and then power on your phone or unlock your phone first. Okay. And be sure to hit the app drawer button right here and go ahead and then hit on setting. And under the setting, you want to go ahead and then go into advanced feature. Under advanced feature, you want to scroll down and then go to motion and gestures. All right. And you want to go to, be sure to turn on this smart stay, so it keep the screen on while you are looking at it. Because I've experienced when I was reading at nighttime, and I constantly had to push and then touch the screen in order for me to continue to read an article, or I was gonna go blacked out, actually going to like a standby mode. All right. So this is just a quick tutorial to show you guys how to turn on the smart stay. And let's test out this real quick. So for example, it could tells that I'm looking at the screen. Normally, if I did not activate that feature, it will automatically dim the screen, and after it dim for a while, it's gonna automatically turn off the screen, become black. So let's go back there and then turn it off. So give you guys an idea. So I'm gonna turn the smart stay off. So as you can see, it's turning dimmer, and now it's going to shut it off. All right. So that's why you want to go ahead and then turn on that feature, so it doesn't shut off at nighttime when you try to read an article. Go back there and then turn it back on. So make sure the phone is facing your face, so it knows that you are reading the article. Or you could pick up your face that you're looking at the Samsung Galaxy S10. So it's probably detecting your iris. So you need to look at it. If you close your eye, maybe you fall asleep, you're probably going to turn on the screen by itself. Like what I showed you guys earlier. Okay, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.